Bay clear for entry.
Copy that. Backing in now.
Container 49er is secured. Moving to inspection.
Copy that. Scan complete. All parameters nominal.
Keep the larger one moving towards zone 3.
Got it. Vitals look stable so far.
Current length 1.2 meters. No abnormalities detected on the dorsal side.
Vitals are reading stable. Entering data now.
Transferring to Bay 4. Ensure the platform is clear.
Confirmed. Bay 4 is ready for the observation period.
Double check the scales calibration before we start.
Already done, and the sterile packs are ready.
The first patient is arriving now.
Okay, the scales look healthy, no mites. Record the weight at 95.2 kilos.
Confirmed, doctor. All vitals are stable.
Temperature normal.
Skin elasticity is excellent. Hydration confirmed.
Palpation is clear.
Record the respiratory.
Dr. Evans, the data for snake 007 is fully uploaded and showing green. I've flagged the discrepancy on the anaconda's weight.
All snakes approved. Health clearance complete. Proceeding to feeding area.
Booth 7 initialized, temperature holding steady at 29 Celsius.
Roger that. Guiding the specimen into booth 6 now. Feeder status is green.
Check ID 42. Weight variance -5%.
Adjusting nutritional requirement by 2 grams.
System reports ready. Look at station 5. Strong response time.
Yes, data confirms optimal intake.
Acknowledge the alert on 4B. The feeding duration was slower than the protocol dictates. I'm sending the data over now for veterinary review. All 8 stable. Digestion phase nominal.
Confirmed. Respiratory rates are steady. The temperature is holding exactly at 25 Celsius.
Easy now. Let him approach the water.
Hydration levels are stable across the board. The 2 pythons responded well to the increased water flow. Submitting clearance now.
Hydration phase complete to cull. Proceeding to cleaning area.
All stations report ready for sanitation sequence.
Station 5 ready.
Station 8 ready. Cleaning cycle progressing normally. All stations green.
Confirmed.
Cycle complete. Sanitization successful.
Cleaning phase complete. 8 of 8 approved. Post-cleaning health check passed.
Authorization confirmed. Proceed to staging area.
Copy that. Moving batch SN001 forward.
Channels 1 through 8 confirmed. RFID tags verified. Conveyor synchronization is optimal.
Approaching incline at marker 30. All restraints green.
Acknowledged. Speed holding steady at point 3.
We're clear on stage 2. Move to green.
Confirmed. Output conveyors engaged.
All packages clear for refrigeration bay 3.
Confirmed. Next batch coming through now.
How's the quality on this lot?
All premium grade, perfectly uniform scaling.
The internal temperature is holding steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
Good. Log that in the system.
How do these strips look? Are they consistent enough?
Let me see. Yes, these are perfect. Continue with the next batch.
Color consistency is good. Slight pink tone.
Texture is firm and clean on this one. This one is exceptional, minimal scarring near the tail.
Agreed, definitely premium grade. Document the scale count here.
This one is flawless, note the uniformity. We can grade this as premium.
Confirmed. Entering premium grade now.
The symmetry on this is flawless, definitely showcase grade.
I agree completely. The eye point definition is perfect. Flagging it now.
Cart 47 has arrived. Begin the initial wash cycle immediately.
Temperature is holding steady at 25.
We have 8 minutes left on this batch. The pressure consistency here is excellent, and you've removed all the residual tissue. Go ahead and transfer this to the deep cleaning station.
Look at the cloudiness in tank 3. It's working perfectly.
The sensors confirm the debris levels are dropping.
Moisture levels holding steady at 52%.
Good, let's mark this one approved for tanning.
Status board confirms ready for batch SLSN001.
Roger that. Temperatures holding steady at 28 Celsius.
Drum 1 loaded and scanned.
Affirmative. Sealing doors now.
Cycle initiated.
Cross-linking is successful. The chromium uptake is now at 80%, almost complete.
Tanning complete. Batch SLSN001. Proceed to neutralization.
We have 4 for classic black at 40 degrees.
2 for deep burgundy, checking the formulation now.
We are at 40 degrees Celsius. The current delta E is 1.2. We need to get it under 1.0 before transfer.
Check the temperature on line 3.
Holding steady at 45, dwell time looks good.
We are at 40 degrees Celsius. The current delta E is 1.2. We need to get it under 1.0 before transfer.
Check the temperature on line 3.
Holding steady at 45, dwell time looks good.
L star is at 20.5, A and B are near 0.
Standard deviation is low, uniformity confirmed. Looks good for classic black.
Check the clarity on this black run. It's completely clear. The pH is stable at 4.
Okay, pull the edges tight on the red one.
Got it. Making sure the tension is even.
A little more tension on the left side. Okay, pulling it now. It's straight.
Looks good. Proceed to the tunnel.
Check the inner side absorption here.
Looks good. Wiping the excess now to avoid pooling.
Scores are finalized. Excellent. All 8 skins achieved Grade A classification.
Batch SLSN001 confirmed.
The classic tote skins look perfect for the laser table.
Calipers reading 35.1 millimeters, consistent with the spec.
Okay, I've marked the stitching guides. The pattern alignment on the gusset looks good.
The scale alignment is perfect across the seam.
Absolutely flawless. Approved.
The scale alignment is perfect across the seam.
Absolutely flawless. Approved.
Delta E values are excellent, between 0.8 and 1.2. Gloss units are stable, it says optimal.
This is batch SLSSN001, correct?
Yes, 8 units, all approved. Proceed with the magnetic closure boxes.
Bay 3, confirm manifest matches pallet 42.
Confirmed, Supervisor. 25 kilograms, going in now.
Manifest and seal numbers confirmed.
Verified. Have a safe trip.
The color saturation is spot on. We need to tighten the stitching right here.
Final quality control check on these handbags before packaging.
Nuance and color consistency is excellent.
Zipper operation is perfectly smooth. Approved.